Where can you go 10 to 15 miles from the home and make the wages that you're going to make here? My name is Clinton Fannin. I go by Jimmy. I guess I'm sort of a coach, and I've got players that, I have to put in positions so they can succeed, so we all can succeed. I treat every employee with respect as they are a family member. Yes, you will have to put forth the effort, but you will be successful. Our training is ongoing. We've still got so much to learn. It's like an adventure, I guess. My experience with EGGER has been rewarding. I feel good about what I'm doing right now.